Rise and grind. It's the only way. There comes a point when you have to decide what you really want your future to look like. Not someday, not when everything lines up perfectly, today. Because success doesn't usually come from waiting for the right opportunity to find you. It comes from getting up, putting in the work, learning new skills, talking to people, and doing the things most people aren't willing to do consistently. That's what rise and grind really means. At TruPowur, you're not just working for another paycheck, you're building something of your own. You're helping businesses save money on energy, something they're already buying every single day, while creating the opportunity to earn commissions and build compounding residual income as your customer base grows. And here's what makes that powerful. The work you put in today doesn't have to stop paying you tomorrow. Every conversation can lead to a customer. Every customer can become part of your book of business. And over time, those relationships can begin stacking on top of one another. But none of it happens from the sidelines. You have to make the calls. You have to have the conversations. You have to learn the business. You have to stay consistent when other people would quit. Because nobody is coming to build your future for you. Rise early, get focused, do the work, and grind toward the life you actually want. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.